Hello guys and welcome to my Thomas the Tank channel. No, but seriously, welcome to the channel of Seddon's Sodor Adventures. Today is the quickest video ever, just a little unboxing of Kevin. Or should I say Kevin the Crane. Big shout out to Tramenginestudios who purchased this for me. It's the first kind of Thomas related thing I've ever gotten, so you know, maybe more to come, maybe not, but you know, I just wanted to put a video out. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. And yeah, enjoy this random unboxing, I guess.